under pressure immediately with the new ball, and he ran in with intensity and showed that he's bowling in consistent areas. So as batsmen, you were forced to be a bit watchful, and that spell kind of put us on the back foot immediately, and from there on to get those extra 20-25 runs in the end seemed pretty difficult when you lose 3 wickets for 20 runs.
Regarding the selection of the team, many people they were talking about selection that Kishan gets played very well in the normal matches. Do you think that it's a mistake Kishan, if he could play, then he can do better than Rohit Sharma?
It's a very brave question. What do you think, sir? What do you think the team? No, at least I played the team that I thought was the best. What is your opinion?
No, I'm just asking you.
Will you drop Rohit Sharma from T20 internationals? Will you drop Rohit Sharma?
No.
You know what he did in the last game that we played? Yeah? Unbelievable.